I've been doing online marketing for over 6 years now, and there's one thing that stands out that I wish I knew and did from the beginning, and it's the third foundation step in my series of 12 steps to success online. If you haven't seen the first 2 steps, no problem, you can click the link up there to catch up when you're done with this step. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. In this video, I'm going to share the third step of my 12 steps to online success. And like I said, I really do wish I did more of this step when I got started. Sure, would have saved me thousands of dollars and hours, no, make that months of time. So what is this third step? Well, simply, it's research. Now, before you go, big deal, there is some real magic in this step that pays big dividends if you go through the process I'm going to outline for you. This process is about identifying a whole heap about you, your strengths, your passions, and how they fit into your online business. So let's dig into the process that I recommend you undertake as research before diving into your business with that passion and desire that is oozing out of you right now. When it comes to your business, there are some simple pieces of research that will help guide you to the success you want. And without this research, well, let's just say it's going to delay your success and cost you a lot of money. For each part of this process, I suggest you create a spreadsheet with this data so that you can refine and review it as you progress. The thing is, we're always researching when we're in the online business game, right? So having this data available all the time makes it simple to update and see what you've decided in the past. Okay, so the first piece of research you want to do is to identify what you're good at or what others think you're good at. By spending the time to list what you're good at, you'll identify patterns and also the things that you should be doing in your business. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised by how many people I speak with who are doing stuff they hate or aren't good at, and they wonder why their business won't grow. Yeah, it's pretty common. The second part of the research you should do is to identify the subject or subjects that you would enjoy talking about every day. Now again, people get all weird with me when I ask them what they would like to talk about every day, like it's a stupid question. But if you're going to be an online business builder who has success, you're going to be talking about your business every day. So you better darn like what you're talking about, right? Okay, so now you have some ideas on what excites you. Now we need to understand a little more about you and your identity. The next part of the research I suggest you do is to list out all the ways you would identify yourself. For example, I have a list of things in my research for my identity, like I'm a husband, I'm a father, a cyclist, a leader, a coach, a wealth builder, a course creator, a friend, an affiliate marketer, and there are a few more, but you get the idea. This is important stuff as it helps define and you and how you're going to present yourself to your market. People buy people, so they need to know who you are, what you like, so they can find something in common with you to make that connection that you probably hear about. I wish I did this part of the process a long time ago. It made me realise the importance of connection with my audience and how sharing who I am is so important to the buying process. An extension of this step is to list down how you like to spend your money and time. I'm going to combine these two because they often bring up similar or related things. Knowing where you spend your money and your time will help identify more about you and what lights you up. This will be great research for later when you start to build your stories and your content. Again, this is helpful for building connection and relatability. Okay, the next phase of research is to help identify some of the aspirational parts of your business. Again, I've grouped a few of the elements together to help move through this a little quicker, and you should do this separately though. So the questions I want you to ask are, who or what inspires you? What frustrates you? And what are your values? Knowing these elements will help define your business, which again helps you to attract the right people to your business. A lot of people, including me at first, thought that what I was teaching was relevant to everybody, so why wouldn't they be attracted to my business? Well, it turns out that you need to stand for something. You need to know what values you stand for and what you won't stand for. by identifying these things, you'll be able to mix them into your marketing message, your content, your branding. They become more of the things that you will be known for, that people will see in you and like before why they'll be attracted to your business. A lot of the people who inspire me are mentors and coaches in the online world who are constantly innovating in the space, leading the way and creating new and exciting ways for me and you to make more money online. So make your list and see what it identifies for you. You may be surprised, and as I said, it will definitely help improve your success online. More people who connect with you, the more buyers you will have. The next part of the process is to start taking your research and putting it into the solution that you're going to provide. So you want to know the types of questions and pain points your audience have about the topic or area of interest that you're going to be offering. What are their goals and desires? How do they relate to the pains and questions they're having? Who are the people that you're going to help? Describe them in detail. Get to the point where you can put a name to them. Really get into this phase. It's where you start to get really deep into who you're going to serve, who your audience is going to be, and how you can help them. And the final part of the process is to start to list out the subject ideas for content, some headlines for your marketing messages, some subheadlines, and ways that you can deliver your message. That is, what courses or process can you create or use to help your newly identified audience members to solve the questions and pains they are feeling. This is the fun part, building out your deliverables that are going to be how you monetize your expertise and your passion. So spend the time going through each of the phases of research and come up with a long list of detail for each phase. This information is actually going to be so valuable to you and your business, not just today, but every day of your business. And this is really important stuff. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you the process for research to get your business into shape before you get started. And don't worry, if you've already started, it's never too late to do this exercise and check in on what you're doing. If you're like me, it may just identify some areas that you can make changes or improvements to grow your business more effectively. Look, and if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can get to work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description and let's chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you thought of this training and I'll read all the comments and reply to each and every one. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. Oh, and if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we'll have a chat.